Let's talk about your morning routine. What if adding butter to your coffee could actually help you burn more fat? For years, we've been told to avoid fat, but new science is flipping that idea on its head. Butter coffee isn't a fad. It's a way to fuel your body for steady, long-lasting energy. Instead of a sugar crash, you get sharp focus and fullness until lunch. By starting your day with high-quality fats, you kickstart your metabolism in a way toast or cereal can't. Forget low-fat dogma for a moment. Let's break down the science and see if this could be your secret weapon. Ready? Let's dive in. So, what exactly is butter coffee, and why has it become such a buzzword in the world of health and wellness? At first glance, the idea of putting butter in your morning coffee might sound a little strange, maybe even unappetizing, but there's a fascinating story behind this creamy, energizing drink that's taken the world by storm. The basic recipe is surprisingly simple. Start with freshly brewed black coffee. Add a generous spoonful of unsalted grass-fed butter and finish with a splash of MCT oil. These three ingredients come together to create something much more than the sum of their parts. When you blend it all up, the result is a rich, creamy, and frothy drink that looks and tastes a bit like a latte, except there's no milk or sugar involved. The blending process is key, transforming the fats in coffee into a smooth, velvety beverage that's both satisfying and delicious. The concept isn't new. For centuries, cultures like the Tibetans have been adding yak butter to their tea, creating a nourishing drink that provides long-lasting energy in harsh mountain climates. This tradition inspired the modern butter coffee movement. The modern twist, known as Bulletproof coffee, was popularized by entrepreneur Dave Asprey after he experienced the benefits of Tibetan butter tea firsthand. He brought the idea back to the West, swapping yak butter for grass-fed cow's butter and adding MCT oil for an extra energy boost. The secret to great butter coffee lies in the quality of its ingredients. Grass-fed butter is rich in nutrients like omega-3s and vitamins A, D, and K2. High-quality coffee provides antioxidants and a clean caffeine kick, while MCT oil, derived from coconuts, is quickly converted into energy by your body. People turn to butter coffee for a variety of reasons. Some love the steady, crash-free energy it provides, while others appreciate the mental clarity and focus it brings. Athletes and busy professionals alike use it to power through demanding mornings or tough workouts. The slow-digesting, healthy fats in butter coffee help keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours, making it a popular choice for those practicing intermittent fasting or anyone looking to avoid mid-morning hunger pangs. In fact, for many, butter coffee isn't just a sidekick to breakfast, it actually replaces it. By skipping the carbs and starting your day with healthy fats, you can help your body stay in a fat-burning state for longer. This approach is especially popular among those following ketogenic or low-carb diets, who want to maximize their body's ability to burn fat for fuel. It's a simple shift that can have a big impact on your morning routine and your energy levels throughout the day. Ultimately, butter coffee is about fueling your body and mind in a smarter, more efficient way. It's not just about the caffeine. It's about the combination of healthy fats and quality coffee working together. So, whether you're curious to try it for the first time or just want to know what all the hype is about, let's dive deeper and see how butter coffee really works. Here's the science. Your body is like a hybrid engine, able to run on two main fuels, sugar or fat. Most people don't realize it, but the fuel you choose in the morning can set the tone for your entire day. When you eat a typical breakfast loaded with carbs and sugar, your body automatically burns sugar first because it's the quickest source of energy. The problem? Sugar burns out fast. That's why after a sweet breakfast, you often feel a burst of energy, followed by a crash that leaves you hungry, tired, and craving more snacks. This cycle keeps you reaching for more sugar, and your body never gets a chance to tap into its fat stores. Butter coffee flips the switch completely. Instead of loading up on sugar, you're fueling up with healthy fats. No sugar means your body has to look elsewhere for energy, so it starts burning fat, both the fat you eat and the fat you've stored. This process is called ketosis. Even if you're not following a strict keto diet, butter coffee can nudge your body into this fat-burning state, helping you become more metabolically flexible. Adding MCT oil is like pouring rocket fuel into your engine. MCTs are special fats that your body turns into ketones almost instantly. Ketones are a super efficient energy source, especially for your brain, helping you feel clear-headed and focused. That's why so many people report feeling mentally sharp, energized, and ready to tackle the day after their morning butter coffee. But there's another benefit: keeping your insulin levels low. Insulin is the hormone that tells your body to store fat. When you eat carbs, insulin spikes and fat burning shuts down. Butter coffee doesn't cause that spike. With low insulin, your body stays in fat-burning mode, using stored fat for energy instead of constantly refilling with sugar. Just one creamy, satisfying drink in the morning and you're priming your metabolism to burn fat for hours. It's a simple, science-backed trick that can transform your mornings and help you feel your best all day long. Instead of the roller coaster of sugar highs and crashes, you get steady, clean energy that lasts. No more mid-morning slumps or afternoon fatigue. Your brain and body will thank you for making the switch. You'll feel more alert, more satisfied, and more in control of your cravings. So how does butter coffee stack up against your usual breakfast? Let's take a closer look. Picture your usual breakfast: cereal, toast, maybe a muffin. These are loaded with carbs and sugar, spiking your blood sugar and then crashing it soon after. That's why you get the mid-morning slump and constant cravings. Your body stays in sugar-burning mode, making fat loss tough and energy unpredictable. Now, imagine starting with butter coffee. No carbs, no sugar, just slow-digesting fats for hours of steady energy. You feel full, focused, and don't need a snack. Your brain runs on ketones, keeping you sharp. You're in control of your appetite and energy, not riding the sugar roller coaster. It's a game changer for productivity and mood. Butter coffee sets you up for a smooth, powerful morning. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. Let's hear from real people who've made the switch. Don't just take my word for it. Real people are seeing real results. Mark, a busy dad, swapped sugary coffee for butter coffee and felt full and energized until lunch. His cravings vanished, his focus improved, and he lost inches from his waist without changing anything else. Sarah, a student, found butter coffee helped her concentrate for hours and ace her exams. She ditched her sleepy toast breakfast and felt sharper than ever. Another woman in her 50s said it stabilized her energy and mood all day. These stories show the power of starting your day with the right fuel. It's not just about fat loss, it's about mental clarity and feeling your best. A simple breakfast change can transform your day. But is it perfect for everyone? Let's talk about the downsides. Butter coffee isn't a magic fix, and it's not for everyone. While it's gained a lot of popularity for its energy-boosting claims and creamy taste, it's important to look at the full picture before jumping on the trend. Like any dietary change, there are some real downsides to consider. For starters, butter coffee is high in calories, typically ranging from 200 to 500 per mug, depending on how much butter and oil you add. That's a significant chunk of your daily intake, especially if you're watching your weight or trying to maintain a calorie deficit. So, it really should replace your breakfast, not be an extra addition to your morning routine. If you drink it and still eat a full breakfast, you'll likely end up consuming more calories than you need, which can lead to weight gain over time. It's easy to underestimate how quickly those calories add up, especially when they come in liquid form. Another thing to keep in mind is digestion. Some people's stomachs need time to adjust to the extra fat, especially if you're new to MCT oil or haven't eaten a lot of fat before. You might experience stomach discomfort, cramping, or even an urgent trip to the bathroom. That's why it's smart to start slow. Begin with just a teaspoon of butter and MCT oil, and then gradually increase the amount as your body gets used to it. Rushing in with large amounts can backfire and leave you feeling unwell. Always listen to your body. If butter coffee doesn't agree with you, that's perfectly okay. Not every trend works for everyone, and your comfort and health should come first. And remember, butter coffee can't fix a poor diet overall. It's not a free pass to eat junk food or skip out on nutrition for the rest of the day. You still need to focus on healthy meals with plenty of protein, vegetables, and whole foods throughout the day. Butter coffee is just one piece of the puzzle, not the whole solution. Think of it as one tool in a healthy lifestyle toolbox, not a miracle cure. Pair it with regular exercise, good sleep, and balanced nutrition for the best results. Consistency and smart choices matter most. Building healthy habits over time will always beat quick fixes or trendy hacks. If you're curious, give butter coffee a try, but do it mindfully and pay attention to how your body responds. It's all about finding what works for you. Now, let's get practical. Here's how to make the perfect cup of butter coffee at home. Ready to try it? Making butter coffee is easy. You'll need good coffee beans, unsalted grass-fed butter, and MCT oil. Grind your beans fresh for the best flavor. Brew a strong cup, about 250-300 milliliters. Don't use instant coffee. Quality matters. Pour the hot coffee into a blender. Add 1 teaspoon each of butter and MCT oil to start. For extra flavor, try a pinch of cinnamon or vanilla, but keep it simple at first. Blend for 20-30 seconds until creamy and frothy. Pour into your favorite mug and enjoy while hot. That's it. Your fat-burning, brain-boosting breakfast is ready. Start slow with the fats and see how you feel. It's a quick, delicious way to fuel your day. Experiment and make it your own. Now, is butter coffee right for you? We've explored butter coffee's benefits, compared it to traditional breakfasts, and heard real success stories. It offers steady energy, mental clarity, and can help with fat loss, but only if it fits your lifestyle. Remember, it's high in calories and should replace breakfast, not add to it. Start slow, use quality ingredients, and listen to your body. It's not a magic bullet, but a tool in a healthy, active lifestyle. Try it for a week and see how you feel. More energy? Better focus? Less hunger? Great. If not, that's fine. Health is about finding what works for you. Be curious, experiment, and enjoy the journey. Now let's wrap up. I hope this opened your eyes to a new way to fuel your mornings. Small changes, like butter coffee, can make a big difference in how you feel. If you want more tips and recipes, subscribe and join our community. Share your butter coffee experience in the comments. I love hearing your stories. Every day is a chance to get closer to your goals. Keep moving, keep cooking, and keep being awesome. You've got this. See you next time for more fitness and food fun. Have a fantastic day.